Hi, this is Zak Mir with the Bulletin Board Heroes here on Share Talk for Monday, the 20th of August. Starting off with Greatland Gold, where we've seen some news out today, and that's pushed the shares back towards the 50-day moving average. That's rising there at 1.31 pence, and basically end of day close back above that could trigger a fresh attempt at retesting the best levels of the year to date around the 2 pence area. Going on to a stock which is big on the bulletin boards at the moment, which comes in the form of Petro. Here, a clear falling wedge breakout completed on Friday, pushing now through the 50-day moving average around 9.25 pence. Decent end of day close today above the 50-day line should get the stock ready for a move towards the main resistance on the daily chart over the last few months, which is between 13 and 14 pence, certainly back below 8 pence, and the broken resistance line from June would really question the excellence of the formation that we see at the moment. Bit of a lap of honour with OptiBiotix. I think the big thing here was a couple of months back with the break and sustaining 80 pence. Since then, we've basically had a pretty clean and clear breakout, bounced off former resistance around the £1 area, which ties in with technical rules, did that last week, and looks as though we're in a rising trend channel, which could take the shares as high as £1.60 at the top of that July feature and the resistance line projection there, and that target valid while we hold above the 100 pence area. Good news today from Pathfinder Minerals. Was covering this a couple of weeks back with the break through the 200-day moving average that we saw. We were waiting for a 50-day line break. That's currently 108, and we've stayed above that. Good news today is the gap to the upside that we've seen in breaking the initial August resistance. That suggests that at least while above the gap, and that's around 1.2 pence, the stock should head as high as 2.2 pence, which is the top of a rising February trend channel. Reddit is a stock which covered a while back as well in the wake of well, actually it was a falling wedge break, which was before the move, in fact, below 5 pence. But the situation now is that we're back above the 200-day moving average of 7.188 pence, and looking for a push as high as 11 pence while we remain above the 200-day line. So a pretty decent target there to look for over the next few weeks, or maybe up to a couple of months. SDX, a popular stock as well on a fundamental basis. As far as the technicals are concerned, we've had a falling wedge breakout completed on Friday, pushing through the 50-day moving average of 58 pence today. And now we're looking really for a retest of the best levels of May towards the 75 pence level, only back below the 200-day line at 55 pence, delaying the upside scenario. Versarien has been a stock which has given us a good year to date, and it looks as though it's wanting to continue that situation at the moment. We've broken back above the 50-day moving average at 125, and really while we hold that, the big target here over the next couple of months as high as £1.80 at the top of this rising trend channel from the end of last year. That's it from me. More updates tomorrow.